Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. Guys, recently last war gone through new maintenance. It has new patch notes. You can see these patch notes in system. In patch notes, there are recent new optimizations and bug fixes. I will tell you about a few important upgrades which have gone through this patch notes. So first of all, the drone skill chip system has undergone a full rework with improvements to the interface, attribute mechanics, and skill chip chest points. Okay, so the new dynamic emoji has been introduced, which is a dice. You can use it in separate tab, dynamic emojis separate tab. Okay, also you can now like the diamond golden X messages. Stamina panel now includes a countdown to full recovery. So it will be a countdown till your stamina gets fully. And there are other major improvements also. So performance improvement and bug fixes are given in this patch notes. So I will show you what this patch note includes. So you can see in build section, we have got in military chip lab named a small building, and it's ready now. So we can see there's something new, and we can craft drone skill chips in our own. So you can now craft your own drone skins. Upgrade your clip chip to lab to unlock more types of chips. Use materials. I've got some ready. Try them out. Okay, so you can see we can craft these new drone chipsets, and you can see the new drone section in tactical drone. You can see a combat boost section has been added to this, and there's the components we are crafting for. You can quick add these to upgrade to your tactical drone to level 1 to level 2, and you can see the it will boost these drone HP, drone attacks, drone defense, and much more. So I think this is a good. You can promote here also. So there is component, and now it has got combust boost, and skill chips will be unlocked after boost level 10. Combat boost level 10 will unlock the skill chip. So I will tell you about this after I level up to level 10. You can see the plane has given here, and there is a combat boost starter mission also given in this section. Something you can claim from here. As you can see, experience drone combat boost experience card and 100 diamonds, and you have to complete the tasks to get these rewards. Collect after completing all tasks. So there are tasks you have to complete. Automatically you will get these. You can go to, and in radar section they will give you the task, and it will earn you those rewards in this plane section combat boost starter mission. So this is a good update, I will say. I hope this video is useful to you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.